If you're trying to remove a component in Figma, the good news is that it only takes a second once you know exactly what to click. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the simplest way to delete a component instance from your design so you can clean up your canvas fast and keep your file organized. This is especially useful if you accidentally place the wrong instance, no longer need a repeated element, or just want to simplify your layout. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Figma tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Figma file and go to the canvas where your component instance is placed. You can remove it directly from the canvas, or you can find it in the Layers panel if that's easier for you. The key thing to remember is that you want to select the component instance, not the main component definition, unless you specifically want to remove that too. Once you've found the instance, click it once so it becomes highlighted. You'll know it's selected when you see the blue outline or the layer highlighted in the left panel. After that, simply press Delete on your keyboard if you're on a Mac or PC, or Backspace depending on your keyboard setup. Figma will instantly remove the component instance from your design. If you're working with multiple elements and want to be careful, you can also use the Layers panel to make sure you're deleting the correct item before you press Delete. This is helpful when components are nested inside frames or groups, because sometimes selecting them on the canvas can be a little tricky. If you accidentally select the wrong layer, just click away and try again. One thing to keep in mind is that deleting an instance removes it from the page, but it does not delete the original component from your assets or library. So if your goal is only to remove one copy from the design, this method is exactly what you need. And if you want to remove several instances, you can select multiple items at once and delete them together to save even more time. That's really all there is to it. Click the component instance, then press Delete or Backspace, and it's gone. Super simple, super fast, and perfect for cleaning up your Figma file. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Figma tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.